ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಯ ವಿಹಾರ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Emergency service personnel were forced to press tractors and even inflatable boats into action in Bengaluru on Monday as heavy waterlogging caused by severe downpour on Sunday evening left thousands of residents in low-lying areas of North Bengaluru stranded, with water gushing into their homes and basements and inundating property. Roads were transformed into streams as lakes and tanks overflowed, and emergency service personnel spent hours trying to reach residents in the city's Yelahanka locality. Firefighters, civil defense staff, police, home guard officials, and the state disaster response force were all mobilized for this effort. Heavy and unseasonal rains have been lashing parts of Karnataka for over 2 weeks now, leaving 24 people dead across the state as on Sunday evening, according to State Disaster Management Authority officials. Rains in central and south Karnataka have compelled Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai to visit affected districts, 7 of which have suffered extensive damage, and announce relief measures, including compensation for those whose houses and crops have been damaged or destroyed. Since Sunday night, thousands of residents of Vidyaranyapura, Yelahanka, Jakkur and Mahadevpura in north and northwest Bengaluru have been battling rain-induced power shutdowns, waterlogging and overflowing sanitation drains. Officials of Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, the municipal corporation in the city, had to evacuate senior citizens and children from inundated apartment complexes such as Kendriya Vihar while supplying essentials to others. The rest of Bengaluru is fine, but the Yelahanka zone received severe rainfall of 138 mm in a matter of 3 hours, said BBMP Commissioner Gaurav Gupta. Manyata Tech Park, one of Bengaluru's biggest IT park, was left flooded following Sunday's heavy rains, compelling staff to return home. Waterlogging was also reported from Jawahar Nehru Centre for Advanced Scientific Research in North Bengaluru. Half a dozen lakes and tanks in the city's north zone, including Singapura Lake, Ammanikere Lake, Allala Sandra and Yelahanka tank overflowed, turning nearby roads into rivulets.
ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಯ ವಿಹಾರ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು
Unseasonal and incessant rains have been battering other parts of Karnataka too over the past 2 weeks, causing severe damage to lives, livelihoods and crops. Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai made an unscheduled visit to rain-affected Chikballapur district on Sunday after coming under severe fire from opposition leaders. He visited Kolar, another affected district, on Monday. In a late evening meeting to review the damage caused by rains, Bommai announced the release of Rs 500 crores for repairs of roads damaged by rains across the state. The preliminary report submitted to the Chief Minister on Sunday estimated the loss of life at 24, loss of livestock at 191. Around 658 houses have been destroyed. 8,495 houses have suffered partial damage, according to the report. It was also estimated that the rains have damaged agricultural crop in 5 lakh hectares across the state and horticultural crops in 30,114 hectares as of Sunday evening. From Bengaluru for The Print, Anusha Ravisu.